recipient of the highest award an airshow professional can receive, the International Council of Airshow's Sword of Excellence. Look at the airplane flying an Edge 540 built in here in the United States in Oklahoma. It is one of the most agile, unlimited competition and aerobatic airshow aircraft in the world today. As he comes into a knife edge spin, there's 3 turns, 4 turns, 4,000 feet a minute toward the ground, 5, 6 turns, 7 turns, and then quickly recovers. Now look at the airplane. I want you to notice the paint job. This is astounding. It's got a really cool paint on it from PPG Aerospace called Harlequin, and the airplane will change color depending on where the sun is shining on it. You will never miss this airplane at an air show. The jet, as Bill Stein does a vertical dink and turns it into a tumble right at the top, and then into a torque roll where he hangs it on the Hartzell propeller, backs it up, swaps ends. How's that for a start to the show, everybody? Leveling off just feet above the ground. He goes up. Watch him set the vertical line. Oh, no, go over the top. Keeps looping it, and now does a forward shoulder roll and pulls back through. Bill Stein is a Silicon Valley guy, a computer guy, but he has trained with the best and now trains the best. It could not be a more perfect sky for an air show or perfect weather. Down near sea level and in these temperatures, these engines produce way more power than on a hot day, say out in Denver, Colorado. So what we're seeing here is peak performance from professional pilots with a passion for entertaining in the sky today. Let's go say hello to Bill Stein. And Bill Stein, it's looking good for you today, my friend. Hey, Bill Stein, are you there, buddy?
Hey, how are you?
I'm great, thank you, sir. Can you hear me okay? Are you able to hear me okay, Bill?
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
I got you now. Hey, you've got good air, you've got great sky, and you've got cold temperatures.
No, that was a slide liner. So I'm going to do a roll here. I'll tell you centrifuge in a minute. First, I'll show you a flip top.
All right, we're ready for that.
Okay, that vertical roll right and then a right. So what I did in the slide line, it was an endo tumble, and I'll show you how we learn those. We call them dinks.
A dink.
We get going 100 or so, maybe 110. You go right, you go left. Stick forward, stick back. You start and stop.
But you gotta have a special airplane to do that, right?
It does need to be reasonably strong.
Yeah, the Edge 540 is pretty good for you, isn't it?
I think that, well,
1972 in the World Aerobatic Championships that Charlie Hillard climbed up and did what everybody did, but then it got different. He hung it on the prop and backed up. The controls are reversed. Left is right, right is left, forward is back, back is forward, and he stunned the world with that maneuver called a torque roll and won the World Aerobatic Championships in 1972. This is the super slow roll. If you can do a super slow roll well, you can do anything well, right?
It seems like it's sort of hectic when you're close to the ground. There's a lot of rudder and stuff, but it's pretty fun to do.
Now you ended it with a very fast roll. You got pretty intense roll rate, haven't you?
It is good. I could go, I don't know, about 480 a second.
480 degrees a second, I'd be losing my lunch, partner.
A little bit of practice. It's just a normal day at the office.
Well, it is for you, but I don't think it would be for me. I love it. What's coming up?
I gotta look at my card. Oh, next is Avalanche.
Okay, the Avalanche. Watch it as the nose comes up.
On the top of it, a little bit of a snap roller too.
Now watch the snap roll. It's a high-speed stall of one wing. 1, 2, 3, and 4 all the way around the quadruple avalanche. Folks, make some noise so Bill can hear you in the cockpit. You hear that, partner?
All right, that is beautiful.
right, what's coming up on the next side?
Well, I'll do another couple. I'll do a different couple. We call this one a hooey couple. It's one of Wayne Handley's figures. So I'm just going to pull up and show you just like a dink. I'm going to do an endo couple.
Starts like a dink, the endo tumble.
We're on the left. Kick forward.
Wow, that's a triple with multiple aileron rolls, right? It sure did. Hey, Will, the sun is doing great things to the colors of your airplane.
Perfect. The Harlequin's a cool paint. Everybody does like the paint job.
Well, Will,
Those guys needing a lot of tenure there. The guy that signed my propeller was 31 years on the job.
yep, the Hearts of Propeller Company, Bill's on honor since 1917, still family owned, huh?
That it is.
Hey, you're hanging it good, dude.
Alright, I'm pumping my smoke just to let you know I've decided to stop this. Is the test right started?
He's just spooling up, sir.
Alright, I'm just come down and take a look at him.
Okay, sounds good. All right, ladies and gentlemen, take a look.
My camera faces backwards. I'll take a picture of him. I'll take a picture of the crowd too.
Okay, now explain the selfie pass.
Alright, so many y'all back and forth, and when my tail is aimed at everybody, they gotta jump up and down and wave. So here, we're gonna aim a little bit towards, now the tail comes left, everybody...
Wave, everybody! Here he comes, ready?
Okay, ready? Everybody wave over here.
Everybody wave!
Alright, Rob, I'm gonna get you and the jet truck. One more, is everybody waving?
Yeah, they sure are. Keep waving, everybody.
Good, that's the last one. Here we go. Okay.
And we're gonna get smoked. What you see in front of you out on the runway is the world's fastest jet-powered semi, driven by Chris Darnell of the Darnell family. Huge name in the jet racing business for over 3 decades. And they are the most recent recipients of the highest performer award given in our airshow industry, the International Council of Airshows Art Scholl Memorial Showmanship Award. That truck literally has a Guinness Book of World Records, spewing diesel smoke, turning dead dinosaurs into fun for us here at Pensacola. Chris Darnell, the son of Marilyn and Neil, has been driving this truck for a long time. They're from Missouri. And I know if you've got kids and they turned 16, you gave them the keys with a lot of fear and trepidation and said, be careful. Well, Neil Darnell handed Chris the keys and said, drive fast. Bill Stein is still circling around because something happened at the bar last night. There were a couple of arguments going on. Bill Stein can exceed 250 miles per hour in a dive in his H540. On this runway, it's possible for Chris Darnell to reach speeds of over 325 miles an hour. Maybe as Bill Stein crosses overhead, we'll drop the flag and the brakes will be released. Ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes on these guys. We are about to have a race. Oh, Bill Stein's coming slower than I expected. Oh, he just rolled upside down. It's going to be an inverted race. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what's going to happen. And they're off. There's 100, 150, 225, 250. Oh my gosh. It's a clear win for the Shockwave Jet Truck. A big round of applause for Chris Darnell.